gonna make this easy like aeroplane. Not easy aeroplane. You have to start with this big piece. Another one. You can make tire pieces, or you have that thing and you need box pieces. I'm gonna make this big. Do you have? You can make it tiny or medium or big. You have lots of these colors. I'm making the same color. There's more colors. Then get square pieces here. And more again. The back. Look, have to be a square space here. Then you have to take these. Don't worry, it's like that. I'm gonna put full of those. Full of these, I'm gonna fill of those. Full of those, full of these. Okay, now I'm gonna inside put these boxes. No, I'm gonna not bigger. Look like a Titanic. That's weird. It's gonna be look like a aeroplane next. All done. Then get the white one. We're gonna make it the white there now. Remember, you have to put a space here for the wings. Spaces again? Yeah. You can see first. Then we see the back part too. Then, oh, you saw the hand stuck in the there too. That was weird. Put the box piece like this. This is square piece. Wait, no, this is gonna be more easier. I have this piece. But is it have to be here? Yeah. Yo. That's weird. I don't know why. I have more white piece now. My sister is a cameraman. Can talk now.
Hi guys. Let's make this straight a little.
Lacking in nowhere. Like that. And then again, you have to lab it.
That's Pink Panther.
Yeah, that's over funny.
Okay. So you take a 2x4 piece. If you don't have a 2x4 piece, you can have a 2x8 piece. Then you can put it here.
I have more of those. Wait, I need more of these boxes. No, I'm just use these. Oh, no, I have to think. I have to put space here. Right. I'm gonna first put these, then I'm gonna know those. Then you have to get the space for the wing. Bigger? Yeah, have to be bigger.
Yeah, guys, make sure not to fill the whole thing because we need space for the wings.
Yeah. Need yeah, no, we need a 3-piece, I think. No, or 4-piece, right? Yeah, we need a 4-piece. Not a square piece. We need a 4-piece.
Okay. Like this, guys.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go put this there, here.
Now let's make the wings.
You have to figure out the wings. We need these.
So first we need a 2x10 piece. And then you need a 1x8 piece and another 1x8 piece. here, you would want to put this piece, like,
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called, but this
A half piece.
Yes, a half square piece, like
Yeah.
here. So then,
Then wait. Do this. Now
you need you can have a black one, black
Yeah.
2x6 piece.
I thought it's white and no black. That's
Now
not
you
good.
would need a 2x4 piece. Okay. Now you would need a 6 piece. I meant 1x6 piece.
You can see in the side. Wait, what's my okay, yeah. Then we're gonna take a 3 piece.
You need a 3x
You can
1x3. You can use the
these.
6 one, but
Yeah,
we want to
it's
use
3.
so
Fold
wanna
under
use
wing.
this.
Just that fold under wing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're
So-
gonna get that.
We're going to get this, and we're going to put one wing here.
Wait, what is it? This is gonna be the middle. I have to put let me put 4 piece. It's gonna be good.
Okay, so for the wing, you need this much space. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You would need 8 space, okay? Let me just show you again. Like this.
It look like a Titanic. It's gonna be an aeroplane. Nice.
Okay,
good
now we
nice
can put the wing.
Yeah, in the side. We're gonna make another wing,
Yeah.
It's okay, there is a hole. I did that.
Yeah.
It's a tiny, tiny hole. Like, look like a doll.
So you just wanna just stick it.
This is very hard,
Okay, let's make the other wing. Then let's
Yeah.
stick it.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay. So let's make the next wing.
wait, wait, that thing. Okay. So, again,
So first you need 2x10 piece.
get all the pieces.
Yeah, get all the pieces. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's okay. Just
Yes, please. Hey, where's the 4 piece? Okay.
Then
here's the hiding.
you would need a 2x8 piece.
Then I'm gonna take
Then
the black
2x6 piece, and then 2x4 piece, and then a 1x6 piece.
one. This white color.
That's white colors.
And again, we have to
Then
do it
we need to take a black.
Wait,
1x6
I forgot. Wait, let me check 1 minute. What? We do it the same with this side. Come on. Let's go broke
So
this.
let's just broke this again and make the different side because we forgot.
Yeah, that was funny.
So yeah.
And when you have the last piece, you have to put this is a half piece.
Yeah, a square half piece.
I do the yellow.
Yeah, you can do it with.
My favorite.
And
color is
remember,
yellow.
you can do any color you want. You don't need to do the same color.
Yeah.
It's all your choice.
Yeah.
Like you just need to fill it like this.
Yeah.
So-
Does it look real and funny now?
So look, you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 space on the front, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 space at the back. And maybe you're making it much bigger, so you don't have to have 8 space. Maybe you're making it much bigger. Maybe you're making it much smaller. So it's all your choice.
Yeah.
So
Now we have to fill up these
yeah.
box pieces.
Now we need to fill up.
No, we cannot use these. You have to use the 4 pieces.
Oh yeah.
You have to one save. One. No. Save 1.
Okay. So you just want to do this. Yeah. Okay.
That's weird.
Whew. My hands are tired just of being a camera girl. Or just hold it like this.
We need to be this.
Okay, guys. So you just want to fill it here.
Wait, I'm gonna find more of these, okay? Coming right back. No, I know. Okay, we need this. We have to save this for one.
Okay. So you guys want to fill this like that. You want to take
Look, the Lego we have. Lots of Legos. You can see. Wait, I'm gonna see you in the last one.
So 1 by 4 piece, 1 by
Hi,
4 piece,
Mama.
1 by 4 piece, 1 by 4 piece, and 1 by 4 piece. So now I will need this piece and that piece.
Take a square piece and we have left a square piece.
A square piece here. So now we have filled it in. So
Yeah, good squeeze always.
you always need to squeeze some so you don't have these weird gaps.
Yeah.
So it kind of looks like an airplane right now, but it's not finished. We need to do some more things.
Okay. Now what we have to do again? Wait. Yeah. It's that half piece gone. Yeah.
So now you need to
Now can do.
now you need to take this piece.
Right, this is 4. Okay, like that. Then you get a square white piece.
And then you get a blue piece.
Why is space here? Oh.
Then you take 2 of white pieces. Then you take a blue piece. Take a blue piece. Then you take these 2 white pieces.
You have to save one.
Then you take this blue piece.
Stay safe. No. Oof, I need more 3 pieces. Wait. Wait. This is the last one. No one.
Okay.
Do we have to fill that? Then
Now let's just take this piece.
filling. I need a 4 piece.
What's this? It should look like something like this.
Wait, come like that.
Okay, so
Found it 1 minute.
okay, so you take this piece right over here.
Now I'm gonna put this airplane back there.
Now we need to make them. So you just take 4 of these and 2 square pieces, 2 of these, 1 of this. Okay, so you first would need to put it. Look, show them.
Wait, no. It's wrong again. Wait, you have to take those. Do not take those. What you gonna do? Okay. Wait, somebody was talking. Okay, so you can say hi.
Hello there, guys.
So you make the Melons group. She's a Melons group.
Yeah, check out our channel.
No, check my channel, Margaret.
What's your channel, huh?
I know.
It's Lego Mini Builds.
Okay. So I do Roblox videos.
Yeah, everyone knows that. Everyone in the whole entire university.
Who knows? This is like a new channel. I mean, you can watch some from my Roblox videos. You can watch that.
Okay, do like this. Why put I 2 square pieces? I'm gonna tell you. Why?
Okay, so guys, you need to just put this right here.
The sign is space.
Yeah.
War. Then we need this piece. Stick it here. Then you have to get your
What are you making?
aeroplane.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That looks like an airplane. Oh, wow. Look, is it a jet airplane?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It looks so good.
Okay, so you just need to.
How come you both are talking at the same time? Do the same thing.
Okay, so this is the back part of the,
Not done.
Yeah, we need to make more.
If you guys want to stay off, I guess, from here, you can do that too, but you can also continue.
Oh, we have to put the more pieces. Like, need
Yeah,
these.
You can
If
follow
you don't want to put the
wheels.
wheels, you don't have to.
Yeah.
But there's something else you need to put for the aeroplane.
Yeah, these.
So you need to take this.
Not overflows. These.
Yeah, it's like, I guess these are is this like the aeroplane, like for the fan to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't have it, you don't have to put it.
I've only one of fan. I just used the two of wheels.
Yeah, if you forgot my name is Mario. From
Yeah.
the Black Berry Girl.
The Roblox vlogs. She just did a peace sign. Okay.
Hey, no speech. I'm not done.
Guys, also, if you can also finish off from here, right? You don't
Yeah,
have to do
you don't have to make the
But
wheels.
if you like to, you can do it. You can continue along and whatever. Yeah.
We're just making the wheels.
So look, guys.
Oh, I just finished my sleepy, so I can make it. I know how to make it.
Yeah, the best part is step by step.
It's done.
I mean, it is pretty long.
Put the
but it
earpiece
is
out.
pretty
Put the-
big.
It's 16 minutes.
16
Because it's
minutes.
Yeah.
Right now it's 60 minutes right now. At least it's not like an hour.
Yeah, it'll take forever.
10,000 hours or something.
Oh gosh, no.
Once you have done these two, you flip your aeroplane.
Wait, let me put this one away. No. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's just you take that off so it
Yeah.
doesn't get bumped.
So now you just
Okay. Now get a square piece.
take a square piece and take another one and just put
Like
it
DOS.
DOS? What's that?
DOS.
here. Josh.
For full.
Yes, I do watch that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she watched Seaberry.
Especially
Yeah.
if you watch her too.
Yeah, smash a like on the face.
Hiding.
Okay.
Excuse me, I'm not hiding.
Now let's make the wheels.
I'm hiding.
No, not the wheels now. You have to put these. Another sleepies. Are you kidding me?
Wait, are we gonna put more wheels?
Yeah, one at the front, remember?
The front wheel now.
You don't have to finish. Holy smokes! I mean, you can.
What does holy smokes mean?
You don't have to finish. the
Oh,
whole thing.
exactly 18 minutes. Oh, 18. I think it's
8,000 minutes.
Yeah, I think it's gonna finish in 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was
20 minutes
saying.
is good too.
Look, we need these
Nothing
wheels.
wrong
I have
with
no
that.
more.
You can guys use these two wheels.
And you don't need to make the wheels if you
Bye
wish.
guys. Peace.
No, it's not.
I thought it was the end.
Where's the last piece
No.
wheel? Gone. It was hiding.
Okay, yeah.
So you make the
Because
wheels right
wheel
here.
doesn't like airplanes, and then the airplane will like, I like you, so you come here, and now I'm gonna be your friend. I'm like, sure. I'm like, sure, now get best friends forever. Right? The end.
Okay.
Oh, is that the whole plane, or is it done?
Done.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still 18 minutes. I think 19 minutes will be the whole thing.
Yeah.
Peace.
Stop. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up on the face. And don't forget to subscribe.
Like this.
And like the channel. And make sure to check out the other channels and the Roblox
Look,
vlogs.
hit the subscribe button in your face.
And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.